Imagine this. You have an assignment due tomorrow. You're staring at a blank Google Doc. 0 words, no ideas. The clock is ticking. Now, what if, instead of panicking, you had something sitting right next to you that could brainstorm ideas, structure your essay, correct your grammar, and even explain your math problems in a way your brain actually gets it? That's exactly what ChatGPT can do for students. But here's the thing. Most students only use 20% of what it's actually capable of. In this video, I'll show you how to unlock the full power of ChatGPT, how to write prompts that give you top-tier results, which version you actually need, how to prepare your inputs, and how to use it in a smart, ethical way. Stick with me till the end, because I'll also give you 5 ready-to-use prompt formulas that'll save you hours of work. Let me tell you a quick story. A friend of mine, let's call her Sarah, used to spend nights writing research papers. She'd spend hours just figuring out how to start. One day, she decided to try ChatGPT. She typed, "Help me write my essay," and guess what? The output was generic. But then, she learned how to give context and clarity in her prompts. Instead of that one weak line, she wrote, "I'm writing a 500-word persuasive essay on why climate change should be part of the school curriculum. Give me an outline with strong points, examples, and statistics." And boom, the quality completely changed. The lesson? The way you talk to ChatGPT is everything.
Part 1. Choosing the right version and setup.
First, let's get the basics out of the way. Versions. Free version. Great for everyday use. Essays, summaries, explanations. Paid. GPT-5. If you're doing more advanced work like coding, research, or structured writing, this gives more accurate and creative results. Pro plans give faster response and more reliability during peak hours. If you're a student, free is often enough. But if you can invest, paid GPT-5 is like having a personal assistant that never sleeps. And one more tip. Before you start typing your prompt, organize your thoughts. Make a quick list. Topic, goal, tone, format. This makes your prompt much sharper.
Part 2. The power of prompting. How to talk to ChatGPT.
Think of ChatGPT like a super smart friend, but a friend who can't read your mind. You need to guide it clearly. Here's a simple formula. Role plus task plus context plus output style plus example. For example, weak. Explain photosynthesis. Strong. You're a science teacher. Explain photosynthesis in simple language as if I'm 12 years old. Use bullet points and a fun example. See the difference? You told it who to be, what to do, how to speak, and what the result should look like. You can use this formula for writing assignments, explaining complex topics, practicing English, preparing speeches, creating study notes.
Part 3. Making ChatGPT work with you, not for you.
One of the biggest mistakes students make is copying and pasting answers. That's not how you win with AI. Instead, treat it like a co-pilot. Ask follow-ups. Make it sound more casual. Refine answers. Explain this part in simpler terms. Add your personal voice. Remember, AI gives structure and clarity. You give soul. That's what makes your work original.
Part 4. Prompt formulas that save time.
Okay, here are 5 ready-to-use prompt formulas that will make your life easier. Essay outline. You are a university professor. Create a structured outline for a 1,000-word essay on topic, including 3 strong arguments and a conclusion. Study notes. Summarize this topic like I'm a high school student. Use bullet points, examples, and analogies. Presentation script. Write a short, engaging presentation script about topic, with an opening hook, 3 main points, and a closing line. Explaining complex ideas. Explain concept in simple language. Give me a real-life example. Revision assistant. Read this paragraph and make it sound more professional while keeping my personal tone. ChatGPT is like a secret tool, but it only works if you know how to use it right. So, next time you're stuck with homework, an essay, or even just trying to understand something new, don't just type a weak prompt. Be specific. Be clear. and make AI your study partner. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more smart student tools, and drop your favorite prompt in the comments. I might feature it in the next video.